Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I just did this super easy eye look using actually a Kaleidos palette. And I don't think I've ever used this one before, but this is the Kaleidos Futurism III Astro-Pink. Yeah, I don't know why I never really used this before. I think I might have like swatched it, but that's about it. But I use it today, and this is for a super simple eye look for work. It's still colorful, but it's work appropriate. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I did. Fast forwarded after this, but so anyways, I didn't use much else because again, I'm going to work. I just use a Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I found I had that in my boxes. That's really it. I used a brow product, different one. It's this LA Girl brow pomade in dark brown. I don't think I like it. It's very very warm, but whatever. I'm just gonna go with it. I found my other Black Moon Cosmetics nebula, so I was able to put the new cap in there, which is cool. So again, that's what happened to the old cap. There you go. Yeah, the little thingy broke off of it. So that's cool. So I think I'm going to surprise my sister, and I'm going to give her the other one, the new one, because that one's my original one. So yeah, so I'm going to be going on the 21st. I'm going to be leaving, going to Indy, pick up my mom, my sister, and her boyfriend, and then we're going to the East Coast. And yeah, it'll be fun. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for videos because I still want to upload every day, so I might just make like a shorts with my family and just upload it there. I always said that this was to document my life, not just for makeup, so keep that in mind. Maybe when I get back home from work I will show you everything I'm taking with me. Yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be fun. So maybe I'll even take this with me. I don't know. No, I won't. Too much. I don't want to have too much with me. I'm already going to have 3 other people in my car with their stuff. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Please, if you are interested to see how I did this look. I will have it after this. After this. Yes. I have super hooded eyes, so I've been trying to learn how to do this. Unhooded eyes. That's all I can say. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget I upload every single day at 10 a.m. And I will see you tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. Bye.